Hey guys, Panahrama here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're jumping into another do-it-yourself install project. Today we're focusing on the Unique Style Racing LED Dome Lights. The factory dome lights, they come with the Tacoma. The halogens, or the yellow ones, they're not very great. They are dull, they're dim, makes things extremely hard to find at night whenever you drop something on your seat, because we all do that, right? The Unique Style Racing ones are actually pretty unique themselves. They make the typical LED white lights, but they also offer red and blue. If you want to be, custom and you like the blue LEDs inside or the red LEDs inside, because some people like that. I'm going to show you how to install actually all of them. They're all the same, just different colors. Shouldn't be too hard of an install. I've never done any LED dome lights myself in any vehicle that I've owned, so I'll be learning with y'all today as I do it. From what I've gathered, looks like we're just popping off the old covers, taking out the bulbs, and then replacing them with the LED lights that Unique Style Racing provided for us. Should be fairly simple. Like I said, I'll be learning with y'all today. Never done this before. If you like the do-it-yourself videos, please like, comment, subscribe down below. Let me know what y'all think so I can keep putting more out there. I also do some overland stuff as well on my channel, so keep an eye out for those. I have a couple big trips coming up. Should be putting out some videos for those trips as well. So inside the box, it's actually, pretty neatly packed. I was surprised when it came in. These are the white, blue, and red. So this one right here is going to be the white LED bulbs. These right here are going to be the red and blue. As you can tell, it's pretty neatly packed. I'm not sure which one is red or blue. They are not labeled, but it would be pretty obvious once we stick it in and turn it on which is which. Like I said, shouldn't be too hard of an install. We're replacing the bulbs with the LEDs. Looks like it's just simply plug and play, so no extra wiring, no soldering, nothing crazy like that.